Hi there, Justin Terhune here with Anabadenko America, and today we're back with another tips and tricks video. Today's featured product is Anabadenko's ST100, and this is our 4-inch tee. Now, there's a few things that we know here at Anabadenko that are important to the contractor, and those are efficiency or time-saving tricks and a good finished looking product. Today, I want to show you how Anabadenko's ST can accomplish both of those. So let's take a look. Now, if we start by popping the top off, you'll see there's a few things inside. Number one, we've got two 3 to 4 inch reducing fittings. We've got a bag of set screws, and these actually pop off. We've got two end fittings. So at its base, this is a 4x4x4 tee and can certainly be used that way. One thing I'd like to point out is you'll notice that on all three sides of the tee, we've got snaps here. So when we want to add a fitting, they snap in place, making the install much easier. So in this example, we're going to take a 3-inch fitting right here. Maybe we want to finish this out with an end fitting to the unit, and we'll come in with a few line sets and a 4-inch in this side. So we got a 4-inch fitting here. We'll pop a 3-inch fitting here. Simply put our cover on top, and we can use the end fitting to go directly to the unit. It's a beautiful finished looking product, and we definitely saved a lot of time by not using reducers or reducer fittings. And I think you could see why the ST is a wonderful, wonderful tool.